Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. You do not pay for anything, you do not pay for robots, you do not pay for indicators. All the stuff that you can download from the forex blogs that we have, the links are in the description box below. So visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Okay, so let's get into today's video. It's a quick and short one. The best way to trade step index. Somebody asked what's the best way to trade step index. So what I have here is a step index. I've added in a couple of moving averages, simplest way to visualize how it moves. So what you can immediately see is that it loves to trend. That's the simplest way to trade step index. It almost moves the same way as, I don't know what my phone is doing. I'm trying to zoom in, but my phone seems to be stuck. But it kind of moves the same way as does VIX 75. It loves to trend. You might have some choppy instances like there, but generally if you are trading step index, let's go to the H4 time frame. You can see what I'm talking about. You can catch these massive moves. You can catch these massive moves if you are patient enough. You can simply just wait for the pullbacks. I'm trying to zoom in. I don't know what's happening with my phone. The problem is if I tilt it, the video editor that I use is a problem. You will not be able to see things clearly. But what you want to do is basically wait for these pullbacks and just catch in that massive move. Wait for a pullback and jump in. That's basically how you can trade a step index. And unlike boom and crash and all the other synthetic indices, you find that step index is relatively affordable. Remember, I think I posted in one of the videos that if you do not have a good enough account size, you probably don't want to trade boom and crash. Of course, you can make money out of it, but the risk, because you need at least 0.20 per trade. That's minimum trade size that you use to trade boom and crash. Unlike with VIX 75 in particular, the other VIXs also are the same with boom and crash. So if you have a $10 account, a $20 account, stay away from those. You can trade those if you have a $100, $50 account going upwards. But let's say below $20, just focus on volatility 75, because your minimum trade size is 0.001, which means you can actually trade it with $2, $3. I've done it with $3. I think the lowest that I've tried it was with $2.60. But yeah, step index, I think the minimum is 0.10, so it's fairly risky compared to VIX 75, but it's fairly okay when you compare it to the other synthetic indices. Also paying attention to this point that if you manage to catch a move, step index also loves to trend. So you can actually wait for your entry and you can catch a nice move and get some money. This is always the challenge with trading smaller time frames with these synthetic indices, is you begin to notice these spikes, and for some people then they get scared and they pull out, they close their trade instead of holding on. But you can, people use different strategies, but basically if you have a trend trading strategy, you can use it on step index. step index loves to trend. Go onto your charts and check for these things. Don't just check my word for it. Go onto your charts, check your charts. You see that step index loves to trend. So if you have a trend trading strategy, is the best synthetic index to use with that strategy. Just wait for pullbacks, get in, ride that trend, close your trade. Here I've just used all these moving averages to just visually illustrate the point that I'm making. If you have any more questions about these synthetic indices, leave them in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them, and yeah, happy trading. Until next time, bye.